What is bioluminescence? It's the natural phenomenon of living organisms producing light. Bioluminescence occurs in various organisms like fungi, bacteria, and animals. Fireflies are one of the most well-known bioluminescent creatures. This light is produced through a chemical reaction in their bodies. Bioluminescence serves various purposes, such as attracting mates. It can also be used for camouflage or to scare predators. Many deep-sea creatures rely on bioluminescence for survival. Researchers study bioluminescence for applications in medicine and technology. Bioluminescence is truly one of nature's spectacular light shows.